Hello everyone, you are watching Jaladhi of Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss addition program in Python. In Python language, how to display addition program. That means two values we need to add and display the result of the two values. We can discuss and we can see the what is output of two addition programs in Python language. Right click, new file, addition.py. We need to write addition.py. Addition.py. Click finish. File is created. Now I will write num1 equal to 30, num2 equal to 20, equal to 20. Now sum equal to num1 plus num2. Sorry, here no need to write columns. Actually, I'm writing Java. That is, I'm getting same thing here. Printf. Here we get the sum of 0, sum of num1, sum of num1, sum of num1 and sum of 0 and sum of 1 is sum of 2 dot format. Here num1 comma num2 comma sum. It to write sum. No need to write semicolon. I think this is sum is option is that I will give result or is result. This is a better result is a better. Now we can run this one, right click, run as run Python. Need to close bracket, some more bracket. Run as run Python. See, the sum of 23 and 20 is 43. Like that, we need to write the sum of addition program in Python language. This is the one way we need to write the additional program in Python. If you need more information about Java or Python related, could you please comment at the below commented box. Before signing off, I'm requesting, could you please subscribe my channel and support me. I am signing off. We will meet next video.